Beijing's economy has just passed a major milestone. In 2025, the city's GDP officially crossed the 5 trillion yuan mark, or roughly 743 billion US dollars. This is a 5.4% rise compared to the previous year. So what does that really tell us? In short, Beijing's economy has wrapped up the 14th five-year plan on a solid footing. To put that figure into perspective, the city's total economic output is now roughly on par with that of a mid-sized developed economy. It also makes Beijing the second city in China after Shanghai to reach this level, firmly placing it among the world's leading global cities by economic scale. And that brings us to what's driving this growth. More than just size, it reflects the governing capacity of China's megacities, a shift from growth driven by scale to growth driven by quality and innovation. Simply put, Beijing is no longer relying on traditional growth paths. Take the digital economy. Information technology services continue to post strong gains in 2025 as more companies are turning to AI and big data to support smarter decision-making and boost efficiency across the board. Digital tools became deeply embedded across industries. That includes what we often call smart manufacturing. That is where AI, big data, and the Internet of Things are being used to upgrade factory floors, automate assembly lines, and predict when components need to be repaired or replaced before they break. Together, information services, finance, and manufacturing account for about 52% of Beijing's GDP, contributing more than 80% of the city's total economic growth. There's no doubt about it, Beijing is seeing a future-oriented ecosystem taking shape. If we look at the existing industrial parks, they cover at least more than a dozen cutting-edge fields. From quantum information to brain science to 6G research, these frontier technologies are moving faster from the lab to the market.
I think Beijing has showed its very special features to the outside, not only for China's domestic market, but also for global market. Beijing has very special attractiveness for its high level of management and high level of innovation.
And this 5 trillion yuan milestone isn't just a number on a chart. It has real impact for people living and working in the city. It reflects a more diversified economy. It means work tasks that once relied on repetitive manual efforts are now supported by digital tools, allowing people to focus more on creative and higher value work. It also means residents will enjoy more efficient and smarter public services in areas like healthcare, education, and beyond. So yes, crossing 5 trillion yuan is a milestone, but it's not the finish line. For Beijing, it's where the next stretch begins.